Pretty quick one for you today. So I did a bunch of Googling and found out how to fix the issue that I had with the way that my Max Lens mod mounted. So you need to get a Torx T4 screwdriver and take out the 4 bolts that hold the mount on. And you'll see that there's basically a little step up. Now this might be needed, to hold the Max Lens mod securely on, because I guess you actually can use this underwater. So it might need to be there, so I didn't remove it completely, but I just took this little thing that I had in my fingernail kit and just kind of removed just enough to where it'll actually still go on. I guess I should make sure to put up a disclaimer that do this at your own risk, blah, blah, blah. You just want to take off just enough to where it actually still goes on. I'm sure there's a possibility of ruining it, and I'm sure this obviously voids your warranty for the Max Lens mod. So I'd basically just remove a little bit, see if it went on. If not, take it back off, remove it a little bit, and then finally I got to where I was looking for and it went on straight. So now you can see the before and after shot where it wouldn't go on completely, and now it does, and it's still tight. So hopefully this helps some of you guys that don't really want to take the time and effort to send it back to GoPro and wait for a new one. Obviously that would be the proper way to do it, but after a little Googling I figured I could actually do it myself. I think the next thing I'm going to do is try out some of the 4x3 modes on it. They're supposed to be better for point of view, but we'll see how they work. Talk to you soon.